Just allow that music to pull you deeper into your own being. But before we get too far, let's meditate any device that might be nearby that may want our attention otherwise. If you're sitting, if you would clear your laps of anything that might be there that doesn't need to be there in this moment, you just allow my words to be your words and just allow yourself to close your eyes or gaze softly down just to relax into being you. This divine, lovable expression of life. And as you feel that move through you, allow your breath to release any tension that might be in your body, from the tips of your hair down to the tips of your toes, anything in between. Just allowing that wonderful body mantra of the breath to continue its work, moving and balancing all that is in your body. Allow yourself to appreciate all of those organs that do work 24/7 on your behalf without you even thinking about it. Allow yourself to also appreciate the various systems, the muscles, the tendons, the fascia, the skin, all of them doing their divine orchestration that allows you to just get up in the morning. Also allow yourself to realize that you are beyond your body, that your thoughts, while maybe they seem like they're tied to your body, are really independent. And how that actually expands beyond your body, out into the world. Allow yourself to expand into that. Interacting and being with all of the things and beings in the room that you're in and beyond. Allow yourself to feel the love that is in between every last atom in your experience. And allow that to be your experience in the silence. there are any people, places, situations that don't yet feel connected or surrounded or acknowledging this space of love, of peace, call their names softly aloud to invite them in. These and those unspoken are already made of the same divine substance. And by invoking their names, we invite them further in and spark recognition that they too can join this. Thank you. Now, allow yourself to bring your body into this, sort of the reverse of what we typically do. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes if you want to stretch a little, being mindful of anybody that might be nearby. Unless you want to playfully poke at each other, that's okay. Just do it with consent. And would you look at least 2 other divine beings? And there are many in the room, and I'm sure those of you live streaming, there are a few as well.